सबसे गलत क्या कर रहे हैं लोग आज?
Men don't buy their own underwear. Before they are married, their mothers buy the underwear, and after they are married, their wives buy their underwear. So they are not choosing something that is designed for men.
Right innerwear होता क्या है?
Does it allow your genitals to move up and down? If you are wearing very, very tight underwear throughout, like what we used to wear in school, it doesn't allow that to happen. So you want something that will allow this movement to take place.
I was reading a stat कि अगर बहुत ज़्यादा tight underwear पहनो, then it impacts directly the male fertility and testosterone. Is that true?
Yeah.
कुछ गलत हो सकता है in my daily life and comfort अगर मैं गलत underwear पहनता हूँ?
What's going to happen? Your genitals are not going to grow completely, especially during the foundation years.
Really?
Yeah.
Testosterone बहुत men के drop होते आ रहे हैं, right?
Yes.
Decade by decade.
We are putting our laptops on our lap, we're having hot showers. बहुत interesting feelings आते हैं for a man, testosterone low के, desire to achieve, drop हो जाता है.
टॉप 5 हैबिट्स बताओ जो लोग यूज कर सकते हैं जो सिग्निफिकेंटली उनकी क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ बेटर करेगी। आज के हमारे गेस्ट हैं एशडन डॉक्टर, ऑल्सो नोन एज द हैबिट कोच। ही इज द होस्ट ऑफ द हैबिट कोच पॉडकास्ट एंड हैज रिटन 4 बेस्ट सेलर बुक्स ऑन हैबिट्स, एंड दिस एपिसोड is in partnership with Van Heusen Innerwear. एशडन अपने करियर में कई सारे सक्सेसफुल मार्केटिंग कैंपेन्स में इन्वॉल्व रहे हैं। इनफैक्ट इन्होंने फॉक के चेयरमैन दर्शन पटेल के साथ बहुत क्लोजली काम किया है। इस एपिसोड में मैंने कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ें सीखी है जो हमारी लाइफस्टाइल और हेल्थ को डायरेक्टली इम्पैक्ट करती हैं। टेस्टोस्टेरोन लेवल्स को इंक्रीज करने के लिए पावर लिफ्टिंग जैसी एक्सरसाइजेस हेल्पफुल होते हैं, एंड लैपटॉप को अपने लैप पर रखना एंड रिडक्शन इन 2 आवर्स ऑफ स्लीप आपके टेस्टोस्टेरोन लेवल्स को 40% तक रिड्यूस कर सकती हैं। स्ट्रेस को मैनेज करने के लिए बॉक्स ब्रीदिंग जैसे टेक्निक्स काफ़ी इफेक्टिव होते हैं, एंड बॉक्स ब्रीदिंग क्या होती है ये पॉडकास्ट में आपको पता चलेगा, एंड हाउ अ मैन वेयरिंग टाइट अंडरवेयर्स कैन डायरेक्टली अफेक्ट देयर फर्टिलिटी। Watch this episode till the end to learn so many new things which I learned, and आप जो भी सीखो इस एपिसोड के एंड में मुझे बताना, either through YouTube comments, Twitter और Instagram. I would love to learn and see your learnings as well. Enjoy the show. मुझे बताओ सबसे गलत, what do you feel, सबसे गलत क्या कर रहे हैं लोग आज?
I think mobile phone addiction सबसे dangerous चीज़ है अभी.
Okay.
That is one of the big things that is happening in our life. हम alternate reality में अभी जी रहे हैं. It's not that we have to wait for a alternate reality to come in. Everything's on our phone, the way that we are seeing it. And the thing is that our brains and our body weren't designed for the phone usage that we are doing currently.
Okay.
So you're seeing so many people with carpal tunnel coming in, scroll. और एक्चुअली समथिंग वर्स कि हमारे हॉर्मोन्स और न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर्स डिस्टर्ब हो रहे हैं. डोपामीन इज इंक्रीजिंग बिकॉज ऑफ द फोन.
एक्सप्लेन.
व्हाट इज योर फोन? एवरी टाइम यू स्क्रॉल ऑन योर फोन, से ऑन इंस्टाग्राम आप स्क्रॉल कर रहे हो, क्या हो रहा है? इट्स योर बॉडी इज सेइंग आई एम सर्चिंग फॉर समथिंग इंटरेस्टिंग जो अभी आएगा, कभी आता नहीं है मगर जो अभी आएगा. That is the same feeling gamblers feel when they are on the slot machine. अभी आएगा, लॉटरी अभी आएगी. That is what we are constantly doing every day.
डोपामीन का वेट,
डोपामीन का हिट constantly आता रहता है. These kinds of high doses of dopamine can completely disrupt the way that your body is naturally set up. Sugar does the same thing. Sugar spikes dopamine. So that's one of the key things that I'm seeing now. I've noticed it post-COVID. कोविड पे हम सब फ़ोन पे चिपक गए थे. राइट.
आज भी चिपके
हुए. उसके पहले ऐसा नहीं था. Before that, there was a certain amount of semblance to the way that we use our phones. But now everything's on our phone. Food deliveries on our phone. Talking to people, communicating, सब कुछ है. So that's what it's turning into. We're brushing our teeth. We have a video going on, which is great for us, but not necessarily a good thing for like a population to move towards.
तो फिर इसका सॉल्यूशन क्या है? मतलब ये तो हो गया, अब रियलिटी है, इसको कोई भाग नहीं सकता इससे.
नहीं, तो हमको फ़ोन टूल की तरफ इस्तेमाल करनी चाहिए. सो से हमारे घर में मिक्सर ग्राइंडर है, करेक्ट. मिक्सर ग्राइंडर टूल होता है. यू कैन use it to make lovely masalas and smoothies, or you can use it and hurt yourself while using it if you don't close the lid properly, etc.
Yeah.
Correct, right? That's the same thing that's happening with our phone. So there are 2-3 things that I do as habits. मेरे घर में there are only 2 places जहाँ पे phone allowed है. एक सोफ़ा पे और एक स्टैंडिंग डेस्क के पास. वहाँ सिर्फ 2 जगह पे फ़ोन अलाउड है. फ़ोन इज़ नॉट अलाउड ऑन द डाइनिंग टेबल, नहीं तो फैमिली टाइम डिस्टर्ब हो जाता है. फ़ोन इज़ नॉट अलाउड इन द बेडरूम, और फ़ोन इज़ नॉट अलाउड इन द टॉयलेट. राइट? कितने लोग अभी ये सुन रहे हैं टॉयलेट में? तो यू विल नोटिस दैट दीज प्लेसेस फ़ोन इज़ नॉट अलाउड, एंड दैट इज़ वन ऑफ द थिंग्स दैट रियली
टॉयलेट में क्यों नहीं अलाउड है? दैट्स द बेस्ट प्लेस टू यूज फोन.
But you never get up, na? So there's an interesting study that was done saying that the average time it takes for any mammal to do number 2 is set. Whether you are a elephant or you are a mouse, उतना ही समय लगता है elephant और mouse के लिए to do number 2. I think it was 90 seconds. I've forgotten the time. Humans are the same. हम भी mammal हैं. मगर हम कितना घंटा बैठते हैं टॉयलेट में?
मैं
30 minutes,
आधा घंटा.
करेक्ट, 30 minutes. वाईफाई होगा तो और भी ज़्यादा.
वाईफाई के साथ ही आधा घंटा बैठता.
फोन का चार्जर होगा तो
फोन का चार्जर इतना एक्सट्रीम नहीं पहुंचा हूँ मैं, बट आई मेक श्योर कि चार्ज करके ही ले जाऊँ. आई विल स्टॉप माई सेल्फ एंड वेट फॉर फोन टू चार्ज फॉर अ व्हाइल, 15-20 minutes एंड देन गो.
तो ऐसा हालत है. सो इट इज द हैबिट्स दैट वी आर डूइंग अनकॉन्शियसली दैट आर हर्टिंग अस. आप कॉन्शियसली कर रहे हो कि दिस इज लर्निंग टाइम फॉर मी, मेरा फ़ोन का लर्निंग समय है, इसलिए आई एम यूजिंग दिस फॉर वीडियोज. आई विल वॉच राजेश पॉडकास्ट, आई लर्न समथिंग. मगर
मैं जब पॉटी पे होता हूँ तब आई रीड समथिंग.
करेक्ट. सो यू यूजिंग दैट टाइम फॉर समथिंग. आप कैट वीडियोज नहीं देख रहे ना?
हाँ, नहीं, बिल्कुल भी नहीं.
एग्जैक्टली.
तो गलत क्या है इसमें? अगर मैं देखते जा रहा हूँ, सब बात करते हैं, व्हाट्स रॉन्ग
विथ व्हाट?
विथ ये मेरे को बार बार डोपामीन मिल रहा है, क्या हो जाएगा? ठीक है, थोड़ा एडिक्ट हो गया मैं फ़ोन से, रोज रात को 1 घंटा देख लेता हूँ. इट्स फाइन, हु केयर्स, व्हाट नेक्स्ट?
नो, हु केयर्स इज दैट योर फिजियोलॉजी केयर्स ना.
क्या होता है बताओ?
द वे दैट अदर एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ योर लाइफ डोंट एक्साइट यू एज मच. See, what is the thing is that we are missing human connection. Do you agree on that aspect, that human connection decrease हो रहा है? Right? So human connection decrease हो रहा है. You go to a restaurant and you see people aren't talking, they're on their phones.
Yeah, that's worse.
That's the worst. The thing is that we've not drawn boundaries on this. So सिर्फ boundary create कर लो. If you are in the bedroom and you're on your phone, you're not talking with your partner who's next to you, who's also on your phone. You're probably sending memes to each other.
Yeah.
Correct? It's the same thing as TV. So a TV in the bedroom, right, kills the vibe of the bedroom. So never have a TV in the bedroom as well. Okay. These are little environment habits. हम बोलते हैं environment habits. I'll give you an example. When I was young, TVs weren't that popular. So हमारे घर पे TV नहीं था. तो उस समय the living room was all designed facing each other. तो सोफा वॉज फेसिंग चेयर्स. कोई आएगा तो हम बैठ के बात करेंगे
आमने सामने. हाँ,
आमने सामने. अभी कैसा है कि द एंटायर रूम इज फेसिंग वन थिंग विच इज द टीवी. सो यू अंडरस्टैंड के इन योर हाउस सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज क्या है? टीवी ना. अब सोचो, घर में सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज टीवी हो सकती है. यू आर मिसिंग आउट ऑन लाइफ. इफ यू यूज इट करेक्टली, यूज इट. एंड यू नो, वी नॉर्मली थिंक वॉचिंग टीवी इज रिलैक्सिंग. How many times have you binged watched something and felt tired after that?
And felt guilty after that.
Guilty, tired, lethargic. वो actually healing नहीं है. हम सोचते कि healing है, हम सोचते कि time pass है, मगर actually it's draining you. So if you realize that you can do something else, listen to something that's different.
Yeah, but मजा आता है टीवी देखने.
Of course मजा आता है. किसको नहीं पसंद? मुझे भी बहुत पसंद है. I love it.
सो मैं ना आपकी 2 बात में से एक पे अग्री करता हूँ, एक पे डिसएग्री करता हूँ. एक जिस पे अग्री करता हूँ दैट इज़ कि फ़ोन्स जब आप किसी के साथ हो तो अपना फ़ोन नहीं यूज़ करें. दैट्स बेटर, क्योंकि आप बेडरूम में हो, घर पे हो, ऑफिस में हो, या डिनर पे जा रहे हो, किसी के साथ डेट पे हो, यूजिंग योर फोन इज़ अ वर्स्ट थिंग दैट पीपल डू. आई हेट इट. इनफैक्ट जब मैं वेकेशन पे होता हूँ अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ या मैं अपनी फैमिली के साथ कहीं पे होता हूँ और लोग फ़ोन यूज़ कर रहे हो तो मैं चिढ़ता हूँ. लाइक आई एम दैट फ़ोन पुलिस. मेरे सारे फ्रेंड्स मुझसे चिढ़ते हैं कि भाई इतना क्या कर रहा है. मैं उनको फ़ोटो खींचने नहीं देता. एंड आई एम लाइक गाइस, मतलब तुम
I want to eat the pudding, not take a picture.
Yeah, like just हम इधर घूमने आए हैं, कुछ एक्सपीरियंस करने आए हैं, हम अच्छी चीज़ें देखने आए हैं, हम कॉन्सर्ट में आए, राइट. आई अंडरस्टैंड कि ये सब फोटोज लेना इंपॉर्टेंट है, तो पहले 15 मिनट ले लेते हैं, फिर बंद करके जेब में रख लेते हैं ना. लाइक व्हाई एवरी 2 minutes you have to take that phone on and do it, and I hate it. तो मैं बहुत चिढ़ता हूँ. So that I just मुझे फ़ोन यूज़ करना ही नहीं पसंद. इनफैक्ट बहुत सारे टाइम ऐसा होता है जब भी मैं बाहर जाता हूँ, मेरे पास ना एक वो नोकिया का छोटा वाला डब्बा है, मैं वो यूज़ करता हूँ. ये वाला फ़ोन
अमेजिंग
यूज़ ही नहीं करता, स्विच ऑफ रहता है, पड़ा रहता है कहीं साइड पे, बस वो डब्बा, सो दैट फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली कैन इमरजेंसी में रीच टू मी. सो दैट्स वन थिंग. बट टीवी at home in bedroom, I think it has helped me a lot.
How?
मतलब in terms of so many things यार. जैसे मैं काम के बारे में बहुत सोचता हूँ, बहुत ज़्यादा sometimes, and then I'm like चलो today I'll just watch something on Netflix which I really like.
मैं टीवी बेडरूम में क्यों?
सोने से पहले good conversation topics, and जब आप जैसे ना, so me and my partner, me and my mom, me and my dad, me and my brother, मेरी इन सबके साथ एक डिफरेंट टाइप का कंटेंट कंजम्पशन है.
करेक्ट.
और मैं वही देखता हूँ इन लोगों के साथ, तो दैट एक्चुअली गेट्स अस क्लोजर, क्योंकि हमारे पास पूरा अगला दिन बात करने के लिए इतनी चीज़ें हो जाती है वो एक टॉपिक देख के.
यू नो व्हाट हैपेंड इन दिस शो?
लाइक मैं मेरे डैड के साथ साउथ इंडियन मूवीज़ देखूंगा, खतरनाक, राइट. तेलुगु को यहाँ से मार रहा है, वो वहाँ से उड़ रहा है, हमें बहुत मज़ा आता है और हम अगले दिन पूरा डिकोड कर लेते हैं. मेरे भाई के साथ मैं बहुत इंटेलिजेंट स्टफ देखूंगा, वहाँ पे बात करूँगा, राइट. तो ऐसे अलग अलग चीज़ें विद अलग अलग पीपल, दैट गेट्स यू लिटिल क्लोजर. आई लाइक इट.
It gives you something to talk about.
Bond, मतलब बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती है यार. मतलब मुझे लगता है कि अगर कंट्रोल्ड वे में टीवी देखो और अब लिमिट बना लो कि इतने टाइम ही देखोगे, इतने टाइम नहीं देखोगे, व्हाटएवर.
तो कंट्रोल टाइम है ना, इट्स नॉट इनडिस्क्रिमिनेट.
हाँ, इट्स नॉट लाइक कि मैं सुबह से लेकर रात तक सिर्फ टीवी देख रहा हूँ, बट कुछ तो 1-2 घंटा देखना, इट्स फाइन. लाइक वंस इन अ व्हाइल आप देख लो 1-2 घंटा, इट्स नॉट बैड.
So there are 2 parts to this, okay? One part is mobile phone, which we'll talk about. I think you had spoken this about on the podcast when you come on the Habit Coach, that are you creating more content than you're consuming? If you're spending so much time on your phone, you're consuming more content than you're creating for sure. And I think सभी लोगों का creativity is decreasing because of that. That is one aspect. But the second thing is, every sleep expert will tell you this one thing, कि आपका bed, once you get off the bed, don't get onto it unless you're going to sleep or do something else. Don't get onto the bed even to tie your shoelaces. तो आप जब बेड पे बैठ के टीवी देख रहे हो या बेड पे बैठ के कंप्यूटर पे काम कर रहे हो, your mind is automatically associating the bed with work. It is not associating the bed with sleep. See, ये बहुत ही subtle चीज़ें हैं. We don't realize that our brains are doing this. आप पिजामा में पूरा दिन बैठोगे तो your mind thinks pajamas are your daily clothes. So when you wear your pajamas, it doesn't think sleep time है. हमारा brain routine को पकड़ लेता है. So what we have to do is we have to teach our brain कि ये routine equals to sleep. So sleep hygiene के लिए having a TV in the bedroom, not a good idea. Having your computer in the bedroom, not a good idea.
Interesting. You know, let's go deeper in this. But before, तो मेरे साथ ना उल्टा है. बहुत सारे स्लीप एक्सपर्ट, बहुत सारी स्टडीज़ जो मैंने करी है, बहुत मेरे जो परफॉर्मेंस कोचेज एंड एवरीबडी, वो लोग सब बोलते हैं कि ब्लू लाइट एक्सपोजर बंद, राइट. और अगर आप टीवी देखते हो, फ़ोन चलाते हो 1 घंटा पहले बैठ के, तो स्टॉप डूइंग दैट बिकॉज स्लीप डिस्टर्ब होती है.
नहीं तो एम्बर ग्लासेस,
राइट. तो मैंने फ़ोन तो बंद कर दिया सोने से पहले, 1 घंटा पहले मैं बंद कर देता हूँ. बट टीवी समटाइम्स आई वॉच, बट मेरे को उसमें भी सोने में दिक्कत नहीं आती. इनफैक्ट आई स्लीप फास्टर व्हेन आई वॉच टीवी, बिकॉज मैं टीवी देखता ही तब जब मेरे को सोना होता है. नहीं तो मेरे पास पूरे दिन मेरा टाइम ही नहीं है टीवी देखने. दिन में मैंने आई डोंट रिमेंबर लास्ट टाइम आई वॉच टीवी ड्यूरिंग द डे.
आप अपना स्लीप मेजर करते हो?
रूटीन.
डू यू मेजर स्लीप क्वालिटी? तो देयर आर सर्टेन थिंग्स दैट यू कैन डू टू इंक्रीज स्लीप क्वालिटी. तो 2 चीज़ होते हैं, क्वांटिटी एंड क्वालिटी. क्वालिटी इंक्रीज करने के लिए देयर आर सर्टेन थिंग्स दैट यू कैन डू. सो द ब्लू लाइट इज एन एस्पेक्ट ऑफ क्वालिटी स्लीप. सो हाउ फास्ट डज डीप स्लीप कम इनटू योर साइकिल?
SWS हो जाता है.
हाँ. So what we need to start doing is realizing that, and this is a very interesting one, कि हमें tired होके sleep नहीं करना है, हमें sleep करना है energy के साथ. That is the time when your body is healing. आपका body it heals itself in sleep. It's actually the most active time of your body. So you need to sleep with energy. हम क्या करते हैं कि we try and get ourselves tired and then go to sleep.
हाँ, थक के
सो जाना. You have to sleep with energy. And then you realize that your sleep cycles are much better. You wake up fresher the next day. So it is the way that we are thinking about life needs a little twist.
And why is that important? क्या होता है अगर मैं एनर्जी के साथ सोने जाऊँ तो?
आपका डीप स्लीप साइकिल्स फास्टर आएंगे. Your quality of your REM sleep will increase. That is rapid eye movement sleep, which is right towards the end of just before you wake up, around that time. But then more importantly, your body does a few important functions. One is it cleanses itself. There's something called cerebrospinal fluid.
क्या होता है?
Cerebrospinal fluid is the fluid that is there in your brain. So आपका brain is not held together, but floating in cerebrospinal fluid. और वो आपका spine में भी जाता है. हमारा body में एक system है जिसको बोलते हैं lymph system, जो waste products जो cells बनाते हैं उसको निकाल देता है.
ठीक है.
हमारा brain में भी waste products आते हैं. ये cerebrospinal fluid वो waste product को निकाल देता है, मगर वो सिर्फ sleep में होता है. It doesn't happen during the day. Now, please remember, I'm saying all of this without being a doctor. हाँ, मेरा surname doctor है, तो please don't take it as medical advice. But that cerebrospinal fluid needs to be flowing clearly. You know, sometimes you wake up with that foggy head.
Yeah.
Sometimes you wake up not clear. It's all because the cleansing processes have not taken place through the night. Sleep, a reduction in sleep of 2 hours dramatically lowers your testosterone. So it lowers dramatically मतलब by 40%. So if you have 4-5 days of 5 hours sleep, तो testosterone एकदम drop हो जाता है. और testosterone men के लिए बहुत important है, because it is also a rebuilding hormone. It is also a hormone for your body, your muscles, etc. to be growing. And especially as we are young, we want that to be as high as possible.
Testosterone बहुत overall in the world men के drop होते आ रहे हैं, right?
Yes.
Decade by decade. Why is that?
There are
लोग तो same है.
लोग same नहीं है. लोग की आदतें बहुत अलग होती हैं. So the habits have changed dramatically. There are 4-5 reasons for this. The first one is the kind of stress that we are under. You meet any of your friends, or friends जब मिलते हैं तब बोलते हैं कि क्या हाल है, कैसे चल रहा है. What is the first thing से लोग बोलते हैं? बहुत स्ट्रेस है, बहुत स्ट्रेस है. तो one is स्ट्रेस हमें रिड्यूस करना है. Stress definitely has an effect on हमारे testosterone levels.
Yeah.
Second is obesity. Obesity has another big effect. So how much fat are you carrying around your stomach has a big effect on testosterone level. So are you actually doing things that reduce this belly fat? Are you exercising? So those kinds of things make a big difference. The second one is high energy output exercise. So मतलब power lifting जैसे बोलते हैं ना, lifting heavy weight. So lifting heavy weights, moving things around, that again increases that struggle, that increases your testosterone level. So
heavy weights उठाने चाहिए.
Heavy weights उठाने चाहिए. HIIT करना है, we have to do it from a cardiovascular weight loss point of view. मगर वो heavy weights जो होता है, that is one of the things that triggers again our testosterone buildup. Another big issue is overheating down there. So what we are doing is we are putting our laptops on our lap. Laptops garam ho jate hain. There is heat being produced. We're having hot showers. Again, heat being produced. So cooling our nether regions is an important part of this, the testosterone production part. And finally, जैसे हमने बोला sleep. I think if nothing else, हम sleep पे focus करते हैं, your testosterone levels will start getting better. आप 6 hours, 7 hours sleep मिलते हैं. If you're in a cute place, 8 hours of sleep, important. So that is one of the things that I've noticed. Even I went through a phase where my testosterone was low. And बहुत interesting feelings आते हैं for a man, testosterone low के.
क्या होता है?
No desire to achieve. The desire to achieve ड्रॉप हो जाता है. हम बोलते हैं कि चलो लाइफ चल रहा है, चलने दो, ऐसा हो रहा है, होने दो. that desire to go out and get, वो disappear हो जाता है.
Let's go one by one. First आपने बोला stress. तो stress ज़्यादा क्यों ले रहे हैं लोग? Because what's the reason? Because I understand this, right? I was also learning about the testosterone and what I found out कि and मैं directly testosterone sexual activities से link करके पढ़ रहा था from the lens of modern science and Ayurveda. And I was trying to understand कि ancient Indian wisdom में क्या है और world में क्या है. What I found out, the simplistic एकदम definition थी कि men के अंदर ना 2 type के two type के मेरे को activators चाहिए होते हैं, which is parasympathetic and sympathetic. तो parasympathetic is what I really need and that is rest and digest. तो अगर मैं बढ़िया rested रहूँगा, मैं digested मेरा अच्छा रहेगा और मेरा stress level उसकी वजह से कम रहेगा, then my testosterone level will usually go up and मेरे को desire not only in just bed, मेरी life में भी ज़्यादा आएगी हर चीज़ करने के लिए.
Correct.
Right? That's the basic thing.
Yes.
पर what I want to know is कि stress क्यों हो रहा है लोगों को?
सबसे पहले आई थिंक स्ट्रेस हो रहा है क्योंकि नोबडी इज टॉट अस हाउ टू डील विद इट.
होता क्या है स्ट्रेस? चलो इस पे बात करते हैं, क्योंकि बहुत लोग बोलते हैं कि आई टेल यू ओके 2 टाइप के लोग हैं. एक जो दिन भर स्ट्रेस्ड है, एक जिनको लगता ही नहीं है कभी स्ट्रेस हुआ है. दोनों में से कौन सही है मुझे नहीं पता पर प्रॉब्ली दोनों गलत है.
लिटिल स्ट्रेस चाहिए तो देर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड यू स्ट्रेस. यू स्ट्रेस मतलब गुड स्ट्रेस. यू स्ट्रेस गुड स्ट्रेस जो होता है, जो फॉर एग्जांपल आप जिम में जाते हैं, एक्सरसाइज करते हैं, तो आप मसल्स को स्ट्रेस कर रहे हो, वो स्ट्रेस से ग्रो हो रहा है. इन द सेम वे सपोज आप 1 पॉडकास्ट अ वीक कर रहे हो, नाउ यू टू डू 2 पॉडकास्ट अ वीक, तो वो एक्स्ट्रा स्ट्रेस आपको एक्चुअली आपका क्वालिटी बढ़ाएगा,
पुश करेगा थोड़ा बेटर बनने में.
करेक्ट. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड यू स्ट्रेस. मगर somebody comes and tells you अभी 7 पॉडकास्ट बनाने हैं, 15 पॉडकास्ट बनाने हैं, दैट काइंड ऑफ स्ट्रेस इज एक्सट्रीम. दैट इज गोइंग टू ब्रेक यू, इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू बिल्ड यू. सो दैट नेगेटिव स्ट्रेस इज द काइंड ऑफ स्ट्रेस दैट मोस्ट पीपल आर अंडर एंड पीपल डोंट रियलाइज हाउ टू डील विद इट. तो एज अ हैबिट कोच हमारे प्रोग्राम में हम बोलते हैं डी स्ट्रेसिंग. स्ट्रेस मैनेजमेंट नहीं बोलते.
ओके.
स्ट्रेस मैनेजमेंट के बहुत सारे कोर्सेज होते हैं. एंड स्ट्रेस मैनेज का मतलब क्या है कि स्ट्रेस हो रहा है, अब आई विल टीच यू हाउ टू मैनेज इट ताकि यू कैन डू मोर स्ट्रेस. करेक्ट. तो वो स्ट्रेस बढ़ते जाता है. नोबडी टीचेस अस हाउ टू डी स्ट्रेस. मतलब वो स्ट्रेस लेके रास्ते के साइड पे रख के आगे बढ़ो. राइट. वी हैव टू लर्न दैट टेक्निक.
क्या होता, कैसे सीख सकते हैं?
सो व्हाट आई टेल पीपल इज हमारे लाइफ में 3 तरह के स्ट्रेस होते हैं. एक है क्रॉनिक स्ट्रेस. क्रॉनिक स्ट्रेस है वो फीलिंग जो बहुत साल से हमारे कंधे पे बैठा हुआ है. समथिंग दैट हैपेंड विथ आवर पेरेंट्स, समथिंग दैट हैपेंड विथ अ फ्रेंड 6 months प्लस अगो, वो हमने प्रोसेस नहीं की है, तो हमारे मन में बैठा रहता है. हम शायद एवरीडे नहीं सोचते मगर हमारे मन के पीछे रहता ही है वो स्ट्रेस. तो वो एक क्रॉनिक स्ट्रेस होता है. सेकेंड काइंड ऑफ स्ट्रेस होता है अक्यूट स्ट्रेस. अक्यूट स्ट्रेस मतलब हमारा दिन एकदम फर्स्ट क्लास चल रहा था एंड सडनली दूसरी गाड़ी आके आप हमारी गाड़ी को ठोक ली. राइट. या हम ऑलरेडी लेट थे और पुलिस ने हमको रुका दिया कि मतलब so we are late for the meeting now. That is called acute stress. आपका life was going well and suddenly something has happened in our life.
बीच में कुछ आ गया. Bottleneck.
Correct. That is called acute stress, and what we do is we learn the techniques to deal with this. So one technique is called box breathing, which is you breathe in a circular system. So you reduce your stress response. जैसे आपने बोला sympathetic and parasympathetic. So your sympathetic response you slow down by doing your box breathing. I'm sure you must have discussed box breathing on the podcast. 4 seconds in, 4 seconds hold, 4 seconds out. That is what we do for our stress. And then we do something strange. We feel gratitude for this particular event that has happened. Normally हम क्या बोलते हैं कि why is this taking place in my life? ये क्यों हुआ? And तोड़ फोड़ करते हैं, एंगर आ जाता है. Instead हम gratitude से हम लेंस से देखते हैं. ठीक है, गाड़ी ने ठोक ली, मगर I am feeling I'm okay. I'm saved. I'm grateful for the fact that my life is okay. तो वो ग्रैटिट्यूड से आप ये स्ट्रेस को देखेंगे तो दैट acute stress is not dramatic. I was late for a meeting once and my Uber driver took the wrong road. So now I was late by 10 minutes extra. और मैं habit coach हूँ. I need to be there 5 minutes before the meeting starts. So first reaction was anger. उसके बाद मैंने सोचा कि maybe this particular event took place so that I could prepare more for my presentation. And I said, chalo, let me open my presentation, prepare. And by the time I reached there, I'll be more prepared than what I was earlier.
But ये एक तरीके का फालतू illusion नहीं बनाना अपने around.
Illusion क्या होता है? मतलब पूरा life illusion है ना? तो it is only your perspective.
हाँ, like
let me give you an example.
Why to create like false perspective? हाँ, मैं late हुआ हूँ, मुझे इसके बारे में बुरा लगना चाहिए ताकि मैं अगली बार नहीं करूँ. ये क्या बोल रहा हूँ कि मैं late हुआ हूँ तो अच्छा ही हुआ क्योंकि इसने मेरी life में जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है. It's great. For perspective, it's great, but you need to be accountable for things, na?
No,
गलत किया तो गलत करना.
It's different. When you're talking about stress, it's a different thing. Stress is only an illusion. So there's a stressor, and stress is your response to that stressor. I'll give you an example. Okay, suppose you're at a dinner table. You're at a restaurant with your family, and 5 people run in holding guns. Okay. So wo people have come in, they are called the stressor. Now everybody on your table will have a different response. Everybody in the room will have a different response.
True.
Correct? One person will throw a plate at them. One person will hide under the table. Somebody will start screaming. Some people will hide behind somebody else. अलग अलग रिस्पॉन्स होते हैं, मगर वो स्ट्रेसर एक ही था. तो क्या अलग अलग लोगों के मन में स्टोरीज अलग थी? ये उसको मारेगा, मुझे नहीं मारेगा, ये मुझे मारेगा, ऐसे नहीं. उन्होंने सिर्फ गन्स लिए, वो कुछ कर नहीं रहे. द की एस्पेक्ट इज हमारे रिएक्शंस स्ट्रेस बनाते हैं. तो इफ यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड योर रिएक्शन एंड चेंज योर रिएक्शन, स्ट्रेस चले जाता है. सो इट इज नॉट कि आई नीड टू फील बैड दैट आई एम लेट. ऑफ कोर्स फील बैड दैट यू आर लेट, डोंट डू इट अगेन. बट नाउ दैट यू आर लेट, आप वो मीटिंग में जाओगे विद दैट एंगर, आपका मीटिंग कैसे होगा? मीटिंग बुरा जाएगा. बट आप ग्रैटिट्यूड के साथ वो मीटिंग में जाएंगे तो your meeting will be different.
Much better.
So that is the key aspect of it. It is reframing. Reframing. You're looking at the same situation but differently. And your mind has this ability to do that. You and your partner will have a fight. She will have reframed this fight differently. You will have reframed this fight differently. Which is where all the problems start.
True.
So that is where we can deal with stress and understand it.
Got it. And by the way, उन्हें stressors नहीं terrorists बोलते हैं.
I said सिर्फ गन के साथ आए थे, किसी को शूट नहीं कर रहे. तो भी हाँ. बॉडीगार्ड भी हो सकते थे.
हाँ, मतलब पॉइंट नहीं करेंगे यार गन अगर बॉडीगार्ड्स होंगे तो. बट ओके, फेयर. टेल मी कि अगर आपने बोला ये स्ट्रेसर्स हैं, राइट, एंड उससे पहले आपने चीज़ एक बोली कि स्ट्रेस अच्छा भी होता है. क्यों अच्छा होता है स्ट्रेस? फिर जब मेरे को अगर स्ट्रेस का रिस्पॉन्स है और उस मैं एक मन से मेरी कहानी बना रहा हूँ कि एक जो स्ट्रेसर है उसके साथ मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ, मेरा क्या रिस्पॉन्स होगा, एंड आई एम एक्चुअली हर्टिंग माई सेल्फ एंड माई बॉडी एंड माई ब्रेन, तो अच्छा क्यों है ये?
तो स्ट्रेस अच्छा है ट्रेनिंग में, दैट यू हैव द एबिलिटी टू रिस्पॉन्ड बेटर इन रियल लाइफ. तो स्पार्टन्स में एक फ्रेज था दैट आईड रादर स्वेट इन ट्रेनिंग देन ब्लीड ऑन द बैटल फील्ड. आपने वो सुना होगा. दैट इज द आइडिया ऑफ यू स्ट्रेस. व्हाट कैन आई पुश माई सेल्फ टू? हमारा कंफर्ट जोन हम कितना बढ़ा सकते हैं, ब्रेक नहीं करना है, कितना बढ़ा सकते हैं. एंड दैट इज व्हाट आई विल स्टार्ट डीलिंग विथ. तो इट इज ऑल अबाउट अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाट कैन आई डू दैट लिटिल एक्स्ट्रा, ताकि आई विल स्टिल फील स्ट्रेस. लाइक यू आर सेइंग कि अभी आपके पास रीडिंग हैबिट हो गई, राइट. से आप अभी 20 बुक्स पढ़ रहे हो साल में, एंड आई टेल यू चलो 25 पढ़ लो, राइट. दैट इज अ लिटिल यू स्ट्रेस. इफ आई टेल यू अभी 200 बुक पढ़ लो, दैट इज नॉट यू स्ट्रेस. सो व्हाट वी आर डूइंग इज वी आर ट्राइंग टू बिल्ड आवर रेजिलियंस टू थिंग्स. दैट इज व्हाट यू स्ट्रेस इज अबाउट.
एंड क्या स्ट्रेस जेनेटिकली भी आ सकता है ज़्यादा? लाइक कुछ लोग बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस लेते हैं, कुछ लोग बहुत कम लेते हैं. इज देयर एनीथिंग टू डू विद जेनेटिक्स?
तो ये जेनेटिक्स नहीं है. इनफैक्ट मेरा फर्स्ट TEDx टॉक इस पे था दैट हम हमारे पेरेंट्स से सिर्फ जीन्स इनहेरिट नहीं करते हैं, हम उनके हैबिट्स इनहेरिट करते हैं, उनकी आदतें इनहेरिट करते हैं. तो आपकी माँ किसी चीज़ पे जब स्ट्रेस होती है वो आप भी वही चीज पे स्ट्रेस हो जाएंगे. So there's a lizard. Mother has this, oh my god, lizard. बच्चे भी oh my god, lizard करने लगते हैं. तो वो हमने अपनाया है. पैसे के बारे में स्ट्रेस होना, that's something very big. And you see family trauma में रहता है कि पैसा पेड़ पे नहीं उगता है, बेटा पैसा ऐसा है. That is also a stress that has been inherited from your family. मगर हम ये आदतें के अवेयर नहीं हैं, इसलिए हमारी ज़िंदगी को मतलब बिगड़ा देती हैं.
True.
But if we get aware of these habits, we can start changing them.
And कैसे अवेयर हो सकते हैं इन हैबिट्स का?
आपने जर्नलिंग सुना है, राइट? तो वन जर्नलिंग प्रॉम्प्ट ये होता है. सो व्हाट वी डू इज कॉल्ड फ्री फ्लो जर्नलिंग. फ्री फ्लो जर्नलिंग इज आप एक पेन और पेपर के साथ बैठो और 15 मिनट के लिए जो भी आपके मन में आ रहा है वो लिख लो. जब वो आप लिख रहे हैं, ऑल द थिंग्स दैट यू आर नॉट थिंकिंग अबाउट आते रहते हैं. यू नो, थिंग्स दैट यू हश्ड असाइड, पुट अवे, आपने बरी किया है, वो ऊपर आ जाते हैं. एंड दैट्स व्हाट यू स्टार्ट राइटिंग डाउन. दैट्स व्हाट यू स्टार्ट डीलिंग विथ. So then once you realize कि अच्छा, money doesn't grow on trees, I have this issue with money, you ask yourself, is there any truth to this? Because we believed it without any sabut. Where's the proof of this actually happening? So that's where we then start questioning the entire process and taking it down.
Fair. Okay,
have you realized any such familiar habits that were there, family habits?
Family? So my एंगर रिस्पॉन्स वो मेरी मॉम से आया है.
करेक्ट.
और जो मेरा डिफिकल्ट कॉन्वर्जेशन रिस्पॉन्स वो डैड से आया है. यू नो, दैट्स कि अगर बहुत ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट रिस्पॉन्स है तो देन आई इग्नोर इट. कि अभी बात नहीं करनी, आई वांट एस्केप. लाइक माई एस्केपिज्म जस्ट
किक्स इन.
Whereas I understand कि okay, talking it out right now, solving it, being the bigger person, all of that is important. But it just kicks in because I've always seen that in a very difficult situation कि खराब नहीं हो और लड़ाई नहीं हो जाए, इससे better है कि we just stop it there, right?
One of the best habits is to realize that the hard conversations are the easiest to have. Because क्या होता है कि जब आप hard conversation करते हो, तब the other person and you both actually want to say that, but nobody is speaking up. तो वो miscommunication में जाता है.
यार कभी कभी जब I have noticed कि अगर मैं गुस्सा होता हूँ और मैं उस टाइम पे conversation करता हूँ ना, तो
गुस्सा होकर
I end up saying things which I shouldn't have, इसलिए I stay away from it. I would rather escape the situation at least for time being. I will come back and do the same situation. मैं ऐसा नहीं कि मैं ये छोड़ के भाग गया. I'm not one of those. पहले मैं था, अब like I've learned to do this, but for that 1, 2, 3 hours I don't want to talk because I know कि उस situation में maybe I'll end up behaving or reacting like a person who I am not.
Correct.
Just because like a lot of traumas will kick in, lot of stuff will kick in, lot of my subconscious behaviors will kick in which I don't even realize कि ऐसा मैं करता हूँ या नहीं करता हूँ. And वो defense mechanism होगा where if in a conversation I feel like I'm losing power, I might do something which is not me. So it's like I want to stay away, don't want to. And there's a few things are complete no. Let's say a physical touch or like shouting is like complete no. But then I get a little salty and then sarcastically I'll just give comments. I'm like, let's not, right?
So that's why stab यहाँ पे.
हाँ, तो वो stab मुझे पता है कि I'll end up stabbing. It's better that I should not. And that's why. So that's like a behavior that I've just
अपनाउट.
हाँ, मतलब behavior वैसे आ गया family से, which I did it. And then same with anger. Like when I'm extremely hurt. Okay, let's just put it this way. When I'm extremely hurt, right? So my mom goes in a shell. Okay, so that same way I do it. But my brother is opposite. My dad is opposite. My cousins are opposite. It's only me and my mom in the family who are just like this. And we live in a joint family. So
correct. Everyone's around.
I've acquired behavior from everyone, right? Which is very different.
And something or the other will always be happening.
तो वो shell वाला चीज that I picked that up. And I know that even I should stop somewhere and show them certain line and there has to be a limit to it. I don't. I end up चलता है,
giving
चलता है, like let it be.
फिर volcano फूटता है. फिर प्रेशर कुकर हो जाता है.
वो नहीं होता है, मतलब वो अंदर ही हो जाता है, मतलब वो इट जस्ट बर्निंग माई सेल्फ ओनली. आई गेट एंग्री विद माई सेल्फ,
हाँ,
गेट हर्ट विद माई सेल्फ. सो इट्स just going back to a conversation कि हाँ ऐसे अब सीख लेते हो लोगों से कुछ ना कुछ.
You pick this up. So एक anger का habit बताऊं? So there's a very interesting habit called postmortem. I've done a podcast on this. That जब anger हो रहा है, volcano फूट रहा है, that time you can't stop it. Stop करने की कोशिश मत करो, फूटने दो. After you've calmed down, उसका postmortem कर दो. Postmortem मतलब after murder कैसे लोग postmortem करते हैं, देखते कि क्या problem था, क्या ट्रिगर था हमारा. और वो ट्रिगर आप देख लो.
Oh yes.
And there's a very nice phrase that says कि मतलब वो ट्रिगर हुआ, आपको पूछना है कि मतलब ट्रिगरिंग का प्रॉब्लम नहीं था, मगर वो गन लोडेड क्यों थी,
यही चीज क्यों ट्रिगर करी.
हाँ, यही चीज में मतलब वो बुलेट क्यों थी उसमें, तो वो बुलेट हमें निकालनी है. फिर खाली ट्रिगर इतना करोगे कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा.
True.
So that's what we have to get to, okay? Remove that and then the anger goes away. I had a client. He, again, one of India's billionaires, works in multiple business owners. His anger was very interesting. Boardroom में जब angry हो जाता था, पेन लेके फेंकता था लोग के ऊपर. आप इमेजिन कर सकते हो, मतलब ये सीन. सब लोग उनसे डरते थे. तो उसको वो मुझे आता था, आश्चर्य मुझे ये रोकना है, मतलब क्या कर सकता हूँ, I don't want to be this person. तो I said very simple, you have to ask to go to the toilet. तो मतलब वो पैटर्न ब्रेक करो. ये हो रहा है, बढ़ रहा है. As soon as you notice, before the photo happens, you go to the toilet, you process, come back and then continue. उसके बाद लोग started dealing with him very differently. They weren't fearful, and in fact, the business grew dramatically after that.
Nice. I say this often, and बहुत सारा मैंने इसमें content भी बनाया, that triggers are good because trigger जब होता है, it's an opportunity for you to understand कि क्या मेरे को ट्रिगर किया, क्यों किया और कैसे किया.
Correct.
So that you can work on it and not let that trigger affect you again. तो आपका लाइफ में इंटॉलरेंस लेवल बढ़ाता है.
हम बोलते हैं ट्रिगर हो गया और भूल जाते हैं. ट्रिगर हुआ और फिर वर्क करो उसके ऊपर.
पोस्टमार्टम करना,
पोस्टमार्टम इंपॉर्टेंट है. So that is very key for us to start doing.
Then second thing you were talking about, which was heat. Heat से testosterone कम होते जा रहा है. Explain.
So heat affects the body, especially a man, like the man's genitals differently. So one we know sperm count decreases. The aspect of testosterone decreasing right now is not 100% proved. There is a sense that it does. But it's one of those things that you need to keep aware of. Apart from that, obviously, when you're talking about heat, are you thinking about ventilation? Are you thinking about like when you are exercising, what's happening to your genitals, how you're taking care of it? Very often the issue is that men don't spend time thinking or talking about their genitals. ये मतलब वो हाँ होगा, it's almost an afterthought. हम research के बारे में बात कर रहे थे, my company or Max, and how we discuss research. हमने over the years देखा है कि men don't buy their own underwear. Do you know about this? It's a very interesting, fascinating fact.
Really?
We were doing our research and we realized that most men don't buy their own underwear. Before they are married, their mothers buy the underwear, continue buying the underwear.
क्या बात करें?
And after they're married, the wives buy them underwear. In India.
Most men you're talking.
Most men. It was a fascinating research study that the underwear is not thought about only. And now you imagine your wife or your mother is buying something and expecting it to fit you. Hota hai? Like think about it. When you were growing up, who bought your underwear? Mom bought underwear. And then...
But that's only till like when you're a kid, right? Uske baad thodi hota hai.
Some people know. It just continues that way. And some people don't change the underwear. मतलब पूरा फटा हुआ, holes, etc. क्योंकि कौन नहीं देखने वाला है. Right. So that aspect of underwear is fascinating. I found it from our consumer research that people are not shopping for it by themselves. So they're not choosing something that is designed for men. And I think understanding this is very, very critical, especially in the way that we use underwear.
So are you saying कि अगर गलत underwear पहनता हूँ या just my inner wear which is not right or it's more tight and it's अगर मुझे हीट ज़्यादा हो रही है तो इट्स गोना अफेक्ट माई A, sexual health, B, testosterone, and bunch of other things.
And your entire, the way that you feel. So for example, suppose you interview lots of sports stars, correct? आप एक चीज पूछो, हर स्पोर्ट्स का के पास एक लकी अंडरवेयर होता है. आपने कभी पूछा है इसके बारे में?
नहीं.
तो हमने बहुत सारे कोचेस को इंटरव्यू किए हैं. सभी कोचेस बोलते हैं कि हाँ, ये स्पोर्ट्स स्टार के पास लकी अंडरवेयर होता है.
क्या होता है लकी अंडरवेयर?
वो अंडरवेयर लेके वो गेम खेलेंगे, क्योंकि उनके माइंड में वो कॉन्फिडेंस दे रहा है. आई डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट इट.
Okay.
You've never asked this question. तो मतलब definitely try asking this to all your friends who are in the sporting world. And you'll notice they all have this one lucky underwear that they wear. क्योंकि उनको मालूम है कि वो पहन के मतलब थोड़ा inner का confidence आता है.
आज फोड़ेंगे.
I have the same thing. हमारे presentations के लिए lucky underwear पहन के.
नहीं यार, really?
It's important because in your mind, you're in your back of your head, you're saying कि हाँ, सब कुछ किया है ये perfect जाने के लिए. See, what is a sports person's prep? First mental prep होता है, फिर physical prep होता है, फिर confidence का prep होता है. वो confidence का prep में ये आ जाता है. Like if you learn about Michael Jordan. Michael Jordan never let anybody lace his shoes. He had to lace his own shoes. क्योंकि उसको मालूम था कि जब वो lace करता है वो perfect होगा, confidence बढ़ेगा. In the same way, lucky underwear is confidence. तो स्पीकिंग अबाउट लकी अंडरवेयर, ये वैन ह्यूसन का एड था हार्दिक पांड्या के साथ, एंड ही इज एक्चुअली प्रैक्टिसिंग इन हिज अंडरवेयर बिफोर दैट. तो इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक दिस वैन ह्यूसन एयर इज लाइक हिज लकी अंडरवेयर एज यू कैन थिंक अबाउट इट. तो दैट्स अ वेरी नाइस एड एज वेल अबाउट इट.
ओके, टेल मी, राइट इनरवेयर होता क्या है?
इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द पर्पस. तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, फॉर everyday wearing, you want something that is going to be loose, that is going to be like if you're sitting around talking like a conversation like this, you want something that allows your genitals to move freely. But for example, if you're in a sports kind of a thing, so for example, you go to the gym, you work out, you want something that's going to give you that kind of assistance, that's going to give you a sense of confidence, and that's going to keep you cool. So that is the main aspect of, I think, having the right underwear. From a habit point of view, underwear is a key part. I remember I was doing this Everest Base Camp trek. And जब मैं school में था and I'd gone on a trek, I remember coming home and feeling my entire legs completely chafed. It's called chafing, when the skin rubs against the underwear and it you start like bleeding, etc. So in my mind, I was very scared कि 15-day का trek है, what will happen to me? So one of the questions that I actually asked my team lead at that point of time, मतलब क्या underwear पहनना? I know that this will be a strange question. And the problem is हम men underwear के बारे में बात ही नहीं करते हैं.
Yeah.
Correct? When was the last time you had a discussion about underwear? But it's the thing that's on your body every day. So I realized that choosing the right underwear for these active things becomes an important part of your life. So even if you are going for a run, the right underwear makes a big difference. You don't want, to have a bouncy feeling. And I think that is the key part of it.
Okay, so divide, because you said कि कोई बात नहीं करता men innerwear की, तो अपन बात करते हैं. And divide the whole conversation into two parts. One is right innerwear for daily wear, right innerwear for workouts. क्या होता है? फैब्रिक कैसा होना चाहिए, साइज़ कैसा होना चाहिए, फिट कैसा होना चाहिए, क्या फीचर्स होने चाहिए जो देखने चाहिए, नहीं देखने चाहिए, कि कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता, कुछ भी पहन लो, किसको फ़र्क पड़ता है? पहनना भी चाहिए कि नहीं पहनना चाहिए? bunch of stuff.
Go commando or not to go commando?
Too many things. Tell me.
Daily wear के लिए the underwear has to follow a few simple rules. Does it allow your genitals to move up and down? So your testicles have the ability to regulate their heat. They move up. If it's cold, they come down if it's hot. If you're wearing very, very tight underwear throughout, like what we used to wear in school, tighty whities bolte the na, सफेद चड्डी, or वो thick cloth, it doesn't allow that to happen. So you want something that will allow this movement to take place during the day when you're...
तो टाइट नहीं होना चाहिए.
टाइट नहीं होना चाहिए. Boxers are one type of underwear that you can wear there. You have these shorts they're not just briefs, they actually come to the side, they give a little bit more support than boxers. Especially if you're wearing tight pants, you can't wear boxers.
Yeah.
Okay, so you need that tight underwear sometimes for this. तो एक चीज होता है, not only active underwear, I think all underwear में, which is this label. I don't know why so many underwear keep that label at the back. You're wearing something on your skin for the entire day. वो label, irritate करता है. So I think it's very important to have a label-free underwear. I think that is very critical. So whenever you're buying underwear, देखना कि उसके ऊपर label है क्या जो आपका skin को touch करेगा. Now they have this printed label on it, which is very good. You don't feel it at all. So that I think is a big, blessing for men's underwear. मुझे याद है in school हमें वो label वाला underwear पहनना पड़ता था and बहुत irritate होता था. So I think this is a good new feature that male underwear has. तो एक्टिव अंडरवेयर में एक चीज़ इंपॉर्टेंट होता है जिसका नाम है मॉइस्चर विकिंग. उसका मतलब है कि स्वेट कैसे खींच लेता है अंडरवेयर. नॉर्मली वो स्वेट रहता है एंड इट जस्ट मेक्स योर एंटायर पैंट डैम्प. सो दैट इज़ नॉट अ गुड थिंग व्हेन यू आर एक्सरसाइजिंग. तो दैट इज़ वाई मॉइस्चर विकिंग इंपॉर्टेंट होना चाहिए. सो दैट वुड बी योर डेली ड्राइवर. व्हेन यू आर डूइंग योर वर्कआउट्स यू नीड समथिंग डिफरेंट. You need something that is movable, stretchable, and still gives you that support that is there. You need to have something that has this kind of air flowing through it. You don't want that sweatiness. How many times we come back home from a workout and our underpants are completely sweaty, pants are sweaty. So I've been using this Van Heusen Air. Have you tried this out? So it's this underwear that has this full jali at the back. It's a very interesting feeling when you're working out because it's just cooling. Before that, if you were working using cotton underwear, it was very sticky and sweaty. This doesn't have that effect. And it still feels very comfortable when you're wearing it. So for my workouts, this is what I've started now using. It just makes a big difference to the way that you approach it.
कुछ fabric में भी कुछ होता है क्या specifically कि ये वाला choose करना चाहिए, ये नहीं choose करना चाहिए?
So normally the ones that are in the sports category, so like I was talking about this Van Heusen Air brand, there would be synthetic fabrics that would be moisture wicking. Moisture wicking उसका मतलब है कि वो sweat लेके उड़ा देता है, right? It allows the moisture to dissipate. तो ये fabric जो होता है active underwear के लिए मैंने बहुत अलग अलग fabric try किए थे. I was once climbing to Mount Everest base camp, so I wanted to understand different fabrics, especially cold or activity में कैसे जमते हैं. And this Van Heusen Air has this beautiful mesh fabric. Absolutely, it feels like you're almost not wearing anything. It just absorbs all the sweat, makes you feel cool. I think that is the important thing, especially when you are active and when you're doing some activity. I think it's called some Swift-Dry technology or something like that. So it's important to have that, I think, in your active underwear. The quality of the material makes a big difference. So another thing I've been using is the Van Heusen Air Car trunks. So, there are two kinds of underwear, the tight ones that we would use for the gym. One is called ye briefs jo hote hain. The briefs are what we all grew up wearing in school, etc. Or dusre wale hote hain trunks, which are again tight, magar they are like almost like little shorts. So they cover a little bit more of your skin. Normal trunks jab pehante hain, they ride up, ऊपर आ जाते हैं और फिर groin में cut करने लगते हैं. So I remember when I used to go on these long, walks and hikes, ये cutting was terrible. These Van Heusen wale, they don't ride up. They have a nice tight elastic band around your leg that holds it there. So it's very comfortable when you're walking. और मेरा preference है ये trunks versus briefs. I find the trunks give me that feeling of airiness, roominess, as well as support. So when I've been using this, I sometimes decide, for example, trunks I will use for my weight training days. जहाँ पे ज़्यादा कूदना दौड़ना नहीं पड़ता है. And I will use the briefs on the cardio days. Jumping jacks, burpees, running, cycling करना पड़ता है. So in that way, I'm actually choosing which underwear makes sense for what kind of activity I'm going to be doing. Otherwise पहले कैसा था जो भी ऊपर मेरे वो पहन लो और चले जाओ. But now I think that choosing the right underwear for the activity that you're doing is going to make a big difference.
Is synthetic bad for you? अगर फुल डे पहन के रखता हूँ मैं तो.
So the studies that are coming out are looking at what is called chemical leaching into the body. So wearing synthetic fibers throughout the day does have that effect. So wearing it all the time might have that effect on your body. And this is especially true for women's underwear, where the genitals are exposed and hormone disrupting chemicals are currently being discovered in the kind of synthetic underwear that is being used. So that is the way to start thinking about it. Do you want to be, what is the choice you're willing to make? Cotton is not necessarily completely comfortable, and most cotton anyways has synthetic in it, otherwise elastic nahi hoga.
True.
That's why boxers, which is just plain cotton, is one of the preferable things when you are at least at home or chilling.
कुछ गलत हो सकता है in my daily life and comfort अगर मैं गलत अंडरवेयर पहनता हूँ?
You can sit down on your testicles and scream.
अगर बहुत टाइट पहने.
There was, I think there was an interesting study that was done on people wearing boxers and the way their genitals grew. Like if you're wearing tight boxers, tight underwear, imagine what's going to happen. Your genitals are not going to grow completely, especially during the foundation years.
Really?
Yeah. So there was an interesting study that was done on this. I remember reading about it years ago. I can't remember the title. But it was interesting to see that, and I was thinking about myself, like, my God, I wish I'd known this when I was young. We would like start making changes in our life. And you realize this when you start looking at tribal societies and the way that they approach their support. Think about it. Most support was needed for physical activities. When you go for a run or when you're in the battlefield, etc., so that you didn't have your parts hanging here and there. So that is where the whole idea of this support came from. And I think we need it when we are being active primarily.
And baki rest of the times, can you afford to go commando?
The issue with commando is, I would say, hygiene.
Yeah.
Drippage. You don't have that protection barrier between your pant.
Yeah.
Right? Sometimes you have wet spots coming, etc., etc., etc. So commando, not such a good idea. And if you're definitely wearing a pant with a zip, horrible idea. Horrible idea. Like you don't want to even think about it right now.
Ouch. Do you think कि I was reading a stat जहाँ पे था कि अगर बहुत ज़्यादा tight underwear पहनो and खराब पहनो आपकी साइज के अकॉर्डिंग नहीं पहनो, and if you're wearing something which जो breathable नहीं है, जो airy नहीं है, right, the one we were talking about, then it impacts directly the male fertility and testosterone. Is that true?
Yeah. Straight away fertility. So your sperm die at a particular heat temperature. So you want it to be cool at that point of time. So fertility for sure. But more important than that is that if it's going to be moist all the time, your chances of fungal growths are higher, right? There are other problems that start happening if you're not taking care of yourself. And I think, men need to start taking care of their hygiene far more, right? Women make such a big deal about it. We don't, right? We need to start taking care of our hygiene a lot more than what we otherwise do.
True. The other thing you were talking about, sleep. कि स्लीप भी अफेक्ट करता है, एंड इसकी वजह से मोर एंड मोर मैन उनका टेस्टोस्टेरोन का कम होते जा रहा है, राइट? इसकी वजह से उनकी डिज़ायर टू विन भी ख़त्म होते जा रही है. एंड यू सेड समथिंग इंटरेस्टिंग कि स्लीप एक्सपर्ट्स ऐसा बोलते हैं कि बेड पे शू मत पहनो, बेड पे कुछ मत पहनो, राइट? बेड पे सिर्फ इसलिए जाओ जब तुम सोगे, वापस आ जाओ, बाकी कुछ भी यू शुड नॉट डू, बिकॉज सो व्हेन यू आर इन बेड, राइट, अगर मैं बैठ के टीवी देख रहा हूँ, मैं बुक पढ़ता हूँ बेड पे, इज दैट रॉन्ग?
Yes.
Why?
So what's happening is that your body is getting the signal that the bed is now your living room couch. If you want to read your book, sit on the couch, sit on a sofa, sit on the floor, sit on a particular place to do this. हमारे मन में, like I'm sure you have a particular place where you drink your morning chai if you're a chai person in the morning.
No, I'm not.
What is your morning routine? You wake up and then you go to one particular place in the morning in your house?
नहीं.
You just roam the entire house?
हाँ, मतलब I get up and then बेड पे ही मैं
सब कुछ करता है.
मेरा celery juice पी लेता हूँ, then I go bathroom, then breakfast on dinner table.
On the dining table. You'll notice that all of us as a habit follow a particular routine. So many people who have a chai का routine, chai newspaper
वो टेबल पे जाके ही पीते हैं, उनके सोफे पे जाके या बाहर जाके.
एक spot पे होता है. And what happens is that we associate that spot with that habit. ये राज का जगह है, ये मेरा जगह है, ये उसका जगह है. Right? If someone is sitting on that spot where you eat your breakfast, you'll feel a little uncomfortable and unnerved. In the same way, your sleep also has a particular spot. कि यही spot पे हम sleep करते हैं, यही spot पे हम सोते हैं in this particular position. So I'll give you an example. As a habit, at night when I'm sleeping, I sleep vertically on the bed. How we all sleep. Magar, if I want to do a nap, power nap लेते हैं ना, 20-minute power nap, I won't sleep vertically. Because then my naps exceed the time. Because my brain says this is a full sleep.
Time.
I sleep horizontally on the bed with my feet sticking out. My brain knows this is a power nap. This is not a full nap. Try it out. It is interesting to see how your brain associates with these different positions.
I didn't know about all of this.
It's fascinating. So this is an entire separate study called environment habits. So the habits that take place in certain environments, which is why library में book पढ़ना is a different feeling than sitting in a coffee shop and reading a book.
No, it's there. जैसे, so when I read book in my cabin in my office versus when I read at home, मेरा बिहेवियर बहुत अलग है.
Yes.
एक जगह मैं ऑफिस में रहता हूँ तो बहुत नोट्स
लेके
पढ़ते पढ़ते मैं पूरा ऑलमोस्ट मैं मेरी बुक ही लिख रहा होता हूँ.
Correct.
वर्सेस मैं घर में हाईलाइटर से सिर्फ हाईलाइट कर रहा होता हूँ और वो भूल जाता हूँ.
और start falling asleep.
मैं पढ़ता ही इसलिए कि सो जाऊँ.
Correct. And that's actually a better one than TV. Your eyes are moving in this direction, which actually help you go to sleep.
Max 5 pages or sometimes the book is really interesting, the 20 pages.
Yeah.
फिर आपको नींद आनी.
So eyes down makes you fall asleep faster than eyes up. That's an interesting one. So if you are starting to fall asleep while working out, or working on a project, put your laptop higher up. So you have to move your eyes up and continue working. You'll not feel sleepy as opposed to if it was down and feeling sleepy. I'm telling you, this is a full, beautiful study that you can do on all these aspects of habits.
क्या बढ़िया बातें बता रहे हो, और बताओ. Tell me, okay, the 3 more fascinating things. ऐसे कुछ interesting. ये तो like just throw the podcast away. Tell me this. ये बहुत interesting.
I wear my sunglasses at night.
क्यों?
So in the sun, you don't technically need your sunglasses the way that we normally wear our sunglasses. What happens is that there's another interesting thing that showcased that when you wear your sunglasses during the day, your body's response to melanin production goes away. You want melanin production? Melanin is the pigment that makes your skin dark.
Yeah.
So if you're wearing sunglasses and go out to Goa beach and sit, your skin will burn because your body hasn't got the signal to create that melanin production. So you take off your chashmas and you will tan. You won't burn. There's a big difference between burning and tanning. And you can teach your body to tan correctly and get its protection up. So you don't go and spend 2 hours on the beach on the first day in Goa. You will 100% get burnt, no matter with sunglasses or without. So you spend 10 minutes, go back in the shade. Come out 10 minutes, go back in the shade. Usse you actually start making your skin more resilient to it. I was in Africa, we'd gone for a safari. And I was talking to the lady out there who was part of the safari. She was like, our skin is so strong. We can spend the entire day out in the African sun and nothing will happen to us. No sunblock, no nothing. And we start thinking sunblock, ye wo sab lagana padta hai. So we understand that you can actually start changing your biology using this. Then where do I actually wear my sunglasses? We were talking about in the podcast blue light. Correct? All our devices पे blue light आती है और blue light reduces something known as melatonin production. वो melanin था, ये melatonin है. Melatonin is your sleep hormone, but beyond your sleep hormone, it also has many other roles in your body. So what this blue light does is it blocks that melatonin from being formed. So when you wear sunglasses at night and prevent the blue light from coming, your melatonin starts rising. And it's very interesting. You will notice that most humans start feeling sleepy and the first jhonka happens at 8:30.
Kyun?
That's how our bodies are designed. There's something known as the circadian rhythm, the rhythm of the sun, right? And the rhythm of the seasons. and the rhythm of the way the world and the environment function. So the first thing that happens is this. First will happen at around 8:30. Then will happen 90 minutes later. 9:30, 10. You'll notice that's when the second like this starts happening.
Okay.
Then it'll happen 90 minutes later. So what you have to do is you have to catch that first feeling of sleep that you have. Otherwise, you're going to be wide awake till the next round of sleep happens. What we do is we try and sleep according to our clock, not our body clock. So we have to start sensitizing ourselves to that first feeling of this and
Interesting.
stop. And you will notice that when you do that, you sleep much faster. You'll fall asleep within like a few minutes of putting your head over the pillow, as opposed to 10 minutes or tossing and turning, etc., etc., etc.
So catch karna is
become sensitive
the key.
to it. Become sensitive to it.
So you were telling me about one entrepreneur ना कि रात को तो सेम मेरा भी वही हाल है. मैं भी प्रिंट आउट लेके जाता हूँ मेरी टीम के साथ. एंड मेरे रूम में ना बड़ा सा व्हाइट बोर्ड है. राइट.
बेडरूम में
जस्ट मेरे सामने बड़ा सा व्हाइट बोर्ड है. और फिर मैं सोने जा रहा हूँ. आई डिड माई ब्रश वश कर लिया, बंद कर दिया सब. इधर आई स्टार्ट रीडिंग और जस्ट पढ़ा हुआ हूँ कि अब सो जाऊँगा 10-15 मिनट. एकदम से कुछ क्लिक होगा. दैट्स व्हाट एक्साइट्स मी. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट एक्साइटमेंट वो कब मुझे जो 11 बजे सोना था वो 11 के 3 कब बज जाती. एक्साइटमेंट पता ही नहीं चलता. समझ नहीं मतलब ओह अभी तो 11 बज रही थी.
So there are two things to this. One is there's a concept called overthinking. Whenever I'm doing ये audience में एक ना एक हाथ ऊपर जाएगा और पूछे सर what do I do about overthinking? तो ऐसे overthinking is a myth. Overthinking does not exist. क्योंकि your brain has one job to think. And it is constantly thinking. Even when we say meditate karo, no thoughts, it's not no thoughts, it's no reaction to the thoughts. So it is the key aspect of understanding your brain's always thinking. Overthinking का मतलब होता है कि it's not thinking about what you wanted to think about. So it is thinking about a direction about why did this person say this to me. So what you have to do at night is something called, and this is the second habit I was going to tell you about, which is called a sleep primer. You lie down in bed and you start giving your brain something to think about, which is calming and designed for sleep. Imagine you're a bear with its cubs going into a cave to hibernate. You start slowing down. You start thinking about that.
मुझे पसंद ही नहीं है सब करना.
बस कोशिश नहीं किया ना.
I've tried doing this, right? और वो 2-3 ऑडियोज भी सुने, guided sleep.
No. All that audio is nonsense. You have to turn this into a habit of imagination.
मेरे को बड़ा अजीब लगता है. Like I've tried, but I'm so.
You're wired at that time ना.
मतलब wired है. I like जो मैं काम कर रहा हूँ ना, मुझे वो relentlessness पसंद है. मैं कुछ और सोच नहीं सकता. Apart from the ambition and the desire to actually build it better and create a bigger impact. वो बहुत मजा आता है उसमें.
What if I told you with your sleep you'll be actually able to do it better? True. That is the key. The key is everything that you're doing right now as a performance, with your sleep probably 10x better हो सकता है. Your thoughts might be 10x better. Your energy might be 10x better. Right now, it is fully adrenaline where you're being charged on.
Yeah.
But that is not the natural state of the body to be in.
But if you're very driven, do you need all this?
The thing is that you're replacing driven by your physiological needs. We need to understand that our body is a machine at the end of the day. वो मशीन को सर्विसिंग नहीं करोगे तो मतलब क्या होगा बॉडी को? It will break down. All I'm saying is that do the servicing so it doesn't break down, so that you can do this for 75 years later.
Fair.
Instead of saying I'll do this now for the next 10 years, full toad, Ford, etc. I was like that. No, you know my story. You know I collapsed on the floor at the age of 30. Right? I don't want that to happen to others, which is why I'm saying this so much to you. I was exactly like you, if probably not more. Because I was ultra ambitious. मुझे तो मतलब I had to take over the world. That was my one goal in life. I used to sleep 4 hours a day, 4 hours a night, work constantly. Food used to be butter chicken, jeera rice. I used to eat so many cakes, so many coffees. Because उस समय I'm talking about like 10, 12 years ago, सोच ही नहीं था health का. And one fine day, I don't think I'd slept for 2 days in a row, 3 days in a row. प्रेजेंटेशन पे काम कर रहा था, एंड आई गेट आउट ऑफ माई हाउस, आई गेट आउट ऑफ माई बाथरूम एंड आई पुटिंग ऑन माई शर्ट गेटिंग रेडी, और पूरा शर्ट पसीने से फैल गया था, एंड आई सडनली फेल्ट माई हार्ट गोइंग टक 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 एंड आई कोलैप्स्ड ऑन द फ्लोर. So at that point of time, and this is important, Raj, at that point of time I was thinking, there were two thoughts in my head. One thought was, oh my God, you're going to die, Ashton. And there was another thought that said, congratulations, Ashton, you work so hard, you're going to die. That is what we are living with.
Yeah.
Correct? And at that point of time, I decided that this is not how I want to live my life. Everything will happen. I've probably got more success after I slowed down than after I was running at that frantic speed. So the key thing is that it's a machine ultimately.
Yeah.
And you need to be taking care of the machine the correct way.
No, fair. I understand where you're coming from. And that's why maybe life में इतने changes करते जा रहा हूँ, right? For the longest.
And you're feeling the impact, right?
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. मतलब मेरी journey भी अगर podcast की भी देखो तो मेरे initial podcasts were only about building business, wealth and money. And then I realized क्योंकि relationships उतनी important है. And then relationships started, like podcast relationships के. Then I realized क्योंकि health भी life में उतनी important. So figuring out health is as important as figuring out wealth.
Correct.
So you need to do that as well. And that's why the transition has also happened. And तभी मेरी life में छोटे-छोटे changes करके I've done those things. Coming back, the sleep was we were talking about. And then आप habits के बारे में बता रहे थे, तो एक sunglasses की habit बताई. मेरे को top 5 habits बताओ जो लोग यूज़ कर सकते हैं या अपनी लाइफ में बना सकते हैं, which is unusual, which people have not heard of, जो significantly उनकी quality of life better करेगी and उन्हें help करेगी लाइफ में कुछ बड़ा काम करने के लिए.
Okay. First one is relationship habits, क्योंकि हमारी relationships जो है is one of the most important things in our life. Relationships with our family, relationships with our partners as well, life partners जो होते हैं. The biggest problem with our life partners is हम communicate नहीं करते हैं. बहुत सारी चीज़ हम compromise करके साइड में बैठा देते हैं. तो one of the beautiful things you can do is called a relationship review. जैसे हम हमारे colleagues के साथ जैसे review करते हैं, और relationship review. हमारी क्या गोल्स है, आपकी क्या गोल्स है, और हमारे साथ रहने की क्या गोल्स है, ये सब अलाइन हो जाएगा. यू विल ऑटोमेटिकली सी दैट योर रिलेशनशिप द क्वालिटी इम्प्रूव्स वेरी फास्ट. एंड व्हेन डू यू डू दिस, यू कैन डू अ रिव्यू एवरी ऑल्टरनेट वीक. ओके,
15 दिन में एक बार.
हाँ, 15 दिन में एक बार. So one time you do the review, one time your partner does the review. One time you do the review, one time your partner does the review. What are 3 things that I did in the last 2 weeks that you did not like? What are the 3 things I did last week that you would like me to do more of? और जब ये रिव्यू हो रहा है, you cannot question or justify why you did what you did.
That's the most important.
Correct. Otherwise वो fight बन जाती है. Right? So you have to listen, take the feedback and say, all right, this is what my partner did not like. Let me try doing something different next time. So that relationship review I found makes a huge difference. Whether it's with your partner, your lover, your wife, whoever it is, husband, any partner, and as well as your parents. हम parents के साथ ये नहीं करते हैं. You know, with our parents, our relationship has been forged for so many years कि we just let it be. And what we don't realize is that we are getting older, they're getting older. Their goals for life are changing. Our goals for life are changing.
Yeah.
कहाँ पे मिलते हैं? So that's what we have to do. So relationship reviews, I think, is a habit.
तो ये पेरेंट्स के साथ भी करना चाहिए.
पेरेंट्स के साथ भी करो. You'll see a big difference. I'll tell you something. Who are the closest people in your life? You'll probably say parents. But how much do we really know about them? उनके स्कूल के समय में क्या स्टोरीज थे, हु आर देयर बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स, व्हाट वर देयर होप्स एंड ड्रीम्स, पता ही नहीं हमें. हाउ कैन वी कॉल देम क्लोज देन? सो इफ यू डोंट स्पेंड दैट टाइम एक्चुअली अंडरस्टैंडिंग, imagine the quality of your life will improve, quality of your relationships will improve. So that's why out of all these 5, this is one that I know nobody does, that is
Everybody
free
should do.
and everybody needs to start doing. You know, relationships में एक interesting phase होता है, which is that all love is lost between what was said and what was understood.
Wow.
मैंने कुछ बोला, आपने कुछ सुना. Was it the same thing that I said? Possibly not. Love is lost at that point of time. So improving the way that you communicate and talk is the essence of your
True.
relationship. So that is habit one. Let's talk about a health habit.
True.
One of the key things that is missing is a fasted walk in the morning. Okay, let me explain. Most of us, हम सुबह उठ के क्या करते हैं, ब्रश करते हैं और इमीडिएटली किचन में जाते हैं. मैंने 4 आमंड सोक करके रखे हैं, वो खा लेते हैं, या कुछ नीम के पत्ते रखे वो खा लेते हैं, या कुछ सीधा मुंह में डालते हैं, राइट? What's happening with that is that your body is immediately getting into the digestion mode, where we need to actually keep it rested, not necessarily get into the digestion mode at that time. You get up, you put on your shoes, you keep your clothes ready the night before. So whatever you're going to wear to go for the morning walk, आप side में रखते हैं. Keep it in the bathroom. You go to the toilet, you wear your walking clothes, come out, wear your walking shoes. और तुरंत walk के लिए जाओ. You can listen to a podcast, you can listen to audiobook. And what this does in a fasted walk is it lowers your blood sugar levels. And it starts using up your muscle glycogen. What kind of walk? A slow walk. हम fast walk करते हैं is for cardiovascular health. A slow walk is for your glucose metabolic health. So you want to use up the glucose in your system. You've had lots of doctors in the podcast. They must have all spoken about sugar and how sugar is terrible for you. ये क्या करता है? It starts the process of your body using up the sugar that is stored inside, in your muscles, in your blood, and in your liver.
उससे क्या होता है? Weight loss?
One is weight loss, which is what most people are after. Because as soon as your blood sugar levels drop, our body starts using fat to use its energy. The second thing is it sensitizes your body to that glucose response. So now when you have your breakfast afterwards, your spike is not as high because you've used up so much sugar. So you're sensitizing your body, you're making your body more resilient to that spike of that breakfast. And hamara breakfast as Indians is only carbohydrate, primarily. Right? Dosa, upma, idli, even all the things that we think are healthy are all sugar bombs. हमारे blood में आके sugar spike करता है. So what we do is we do this fasted walk. There are, again, free habit. You don't have to pay for it. Take your phone, listen to an audiobook, listen to a podcast. तो सीखने को भी मिलता है. You're out in the sun, so you're getting your little dose of vitamin D early in the morning as well. So you see that one habit has so many little benefits stacked into it. So it's one of the power-packed ones. Then let's do one mental habit. Escapist words and words that create guilt. Removing these words from your dictionary. Okay?
मतलब?
I will try. Try जैसा कुछ चीज होता नहीं है. You will either do or you won't do. So removing the word try from your dictionary. You know, it's almost like you take the habit of deleting. You know how you actually scratch out something? ये आपकी जिंदगी से ही निकालो. Try. I will try to make it at 4:30. मतलब what? You will make it or not make it? Try क्या होता है? Right? Simple example है. आपके सामने एक पेन है. Pick it up.
Try to write.
No, put it down again. Okay, now you put it down. Now try and pick it up. You see the hesitation?
Yeah. Either I pick it up.
Either you pick it up or you won't pick it up. You try to pick it up. क्या होता है? ये कैसा कर सकते हो? So try is one such word. Okay. Then the words that create a negative emotion in your body are should, must. Okay. Our parents and teachers use the word should into guilting us to do things. You should do this. If you don't do this, you are a bad boy. Instantly वो connection आ जाता है.
Yeah.
So you're being guilted into it. Never should you do something.
Yeah.
Because guilt is again a manipulative thing. And this is a habit that we use for ourselves and for our partners or children or whoever they're in our life. Never should. कभी should नहीं करना चाहिए. Must नहीं करना चाहिए. You must do it. Why should I must do it? That's another word, delete. I want to do it, fantastic. I have to do it, fantastic. Must do it means somebody else is telling me how to do it, I don't want to. Similarly, another word like this is called duty. Duty सबसे गंदा word है.
क्यों?
It is my duty to do this. That means you don't actually want to do this. but you're being forced into doing this. So if you're saying that I'm doing this out of duty and you're trying to guilt someone into saying that I'm actually doing this out of love for you, you want to do this or you don't want to. It's never a mother's duty to do this. Mothers do it out of love. Sons do this out of love for them. Daughters do this out of love. Don't do it out of duty. Duty itself has this negative connotation. It is not my duty to the country. It is because I love my country that I do it. Duty means something's forced upon you. And we've realized this. Anything that's forced upon you is not healthy for you.
True.
Right? Do the things that matter to you.
True.
So these kinds of words, as soon as you start deleting them from your vocabulary, you start living a life that is a much more peaceful life.
Less guilt.
Less guilt. Guilt is one of the most toxic emotions that we have. Andar se kha jata hai hum. You know? And there are techniques to get over guilt. Okay? So there are 3 steps to getting over guilt. And the first step is called acceptance. आपने चोरी की, cheating की, जो भी की है, first do you accept की है? Most of the time we don't accept it, तो guilt रहता है. So first step is acceptance. Second step is to question, are you the kind of person that does this? So आपका identity क्या है? If you say, yes, I am the kind of person that cheats, no problem. If you're the kind of person that says, no, I will not cheat, then next step is change that identity. Make it a Makkamman vow that you will never do this again. Or in your heart say, I will do it again. And again, there's no guilt. So the problem is guilt is when it is not resolved in that sense. So
interesting. So acceptance, identity and change. Let's talk about लोग जो ये देख सकते हैं मैं assume कर रहा हूँ कि उनके पास फोन है, इंटरनेट है, करेक्ट, राइट, और जिसके पास वो है वो बहुत अच्छी लाइफ जी रहा है कंपेयर्ड टू द पीपल यू वर टॉकिंग अबाउट, राइट? तो लेट्स से हम उन्हें मानते हैं कि एवरेज लोग देख रहे हैं और विद टेकिंग द लिबर्टी कि जो कोई टॉप 0.1% भी ये पॉडकास्ट देख रहा होगा उसको भी मैं अभी एट दिस पॉइंट मान रहा हूँ कि वो उसके गेम में भी एवरेज, क्योंकि उसके ड्रीम्स और डिजायर उससे भी बड़े होंगे, राइट? बिकॉज देयर आर फ्यू पीपल लाइक सुपरस्टार, सेलिब्रिटीज, पॉलिटिशियंस और लाइक बिलियनर्स हु वॉच दिस पॉडकास्ट, ऑफ कोर्स. सो अज्यूमिंग कि उन्हें भी उनके गेम में और टॉप लेवल पे जाना है. व्हाई फ्यू पीपल आर नॉट एबल टू अचीव एंड बिकम really big and really number one? तो ये कुछ लोग ये देख रहे होंगे जो अचीवर्स होंगे, कुछ लोग देख रहे होंगे जो नहीं होंगे, कुछ लोग स्ट्रेस्ड होंगे, कुछ लोग इरिटेटेड होंगे, कुछ लोग मतलब बस परेशान होंगे कि मैं किसी तरह से निकलूँ, राइट? पर ये देख रहे हैं मतलब उनकी डिज़ायर तो है, क्योंकि ये पॉडकास्ट पे एंटरटेनमेंट तो होता नहीं है, राइट? तो ये पॉडकास्ट कोई देख रहा है मतलब उसको डिज़ायर है कि वो अपनी लाइफ में ग्रो कैसे करे, अपनी लाइफ क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ कैसे इम्प्रूव करे, इसीलिए वो पॉडकास्ट देख रहा है ये वाला. तो डिज़ायर ऑलमोस्ट सबकी होती है कि मुझे बेटर लाइफ करनी है, बट कुछ लोग ही कर पाते हैं, बाकी लोग नहीं कर पाते हैं. क्यों?
It boils down to understanding that all of us have different goals. So even when I'm working with some of the richest people in the world, their financial goals, professional goals are met. उनके relationship goals may not be.
Health goals may not.
Health goals may not be. The first thing you have to do is you have to understand your entire life in these different aspects. So even if you're on the road, you might be happier at that point of time. It's just that money is missing. You will always find something in your life that is working. Right? And there's always hope. That's the key thing. There'll be also people who are having thoughts of taking their life, listening to this. As soon as they realize that there's always hope, something can always change in their life, you know that hope exists. So what I normally tell people is to do an imagination exercise. Okay? Every single person I work with, this is the first exercise I give them. So, and everyone who's listening to this can do this today. Imagine I give you a magic wand, Jadu ki chhadi, right? A magic wand. You take this magic wand and you wave it around in the air. Using this magic wand, I want you to create what your perfect life would look like 5 years from now. A perfect life hota hai. It is not ideal life. It is not desire wali life. It is what you think your perfect life is. And This is not Aladdin का cheap lamp जहाँ पे सिर्फ 3 wish मिलते हैं. This is a magic wand. Everything is possible in your life. I want you to write down pages of what this perfect life could look like in detail. Many people don't write in detail. I want to be living by the beach. Okay? Your living by the beach could be in a 7-bedroom mansion, or it could be sitting on the side of the road under a tent. Right? You're still by the beach only.
Or it could be a small village somewhere, or it could be like Mumbai. Like,
correct.
It could be anywhere.
It could be anywhere. So you have to be very, very clear on what your goal is. And you have to understand that this is actually what I want. Once you do this, you will get a sense of where your priorities lie and what it is that you want from life. You know, when people say, I want 75 Rolls Royces, they're not saying that they want actually 75 Rolls Royces. They are saying something else. They are saying that I want the acknowledgement of the world.
I want to depict power that I've made it.
Correct. And you realize that this is what your actual need is currently. It is not the 75 Rolls Royces. So you figure out what you can do for that particular need right now. So I'm talking about a direction versus the tangible end result.
Okay. So you need to have a vision of.
So for example, the 25 Rolls Royces, the example that we had said, is a direction. It is not owning 25 Rolls Royces. I had once given this example when I was giving this magic wand with a person. I said, imagine you could even say, I want 21 Rolls Royce. This person looked at me and said, but I already have 27. I was like, shit. Okay, we need to change this example next time around.
What is the fundamental difference जो आपने देखा है आपके clients में? Someone who is like a billionaire versus someone जो नहीं है, who's struggling somewhere in the mid. इन दोनों में difference क्या है?
What does that money do for the billionaire? It allows the billionaire to have exposure in ways somebody else might not. You'd probably be invited for things and meet interesting people that you probably would not without that money.
That's
or without
the most
that
important thing.
Correct? But the lifestyle doesn't dramatically change. And that's the key thing. People think that when I have my money, सब कुछ change हो जाएगा.
कुछ नहीं होगा.
कुछ नहीं होगा. Especially if you realize that you're not doing it for the money.
The more money you make, the more you realize you're not doing it for the money. You're doing it for an unmet need as a child which you had. Okay, one last question. What is the single biggest and the best investment you have made in your life which has turned around things for you?
I was interviewing Devda Patnaik. And he said that Ashdin, understand one thing. Before Lakshmi Ma comes into a place, Ma Saraswati has to come. And I was talking to my accounts team head the other day and I was saying, Mitesh, look at all of this. We created this entire habit coaching industry, this business. Where did we create it? It didn't exist before that. It all came from all the books that I was reading when I was passing through my low phase. Through all the stuff that I started implementing in my life. That is where all of this came from.
Yeah.
Matlab, it's from thin air. And that's when we had that aha moment saying, like that value comes from thin air that you've created. But it always comes from the learning that you've put in first. Without that, there's no chance of anything happening in your life.
True. Nice. I like it. Perfect. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I will genuinely love to pick your brains up next time on bunch of topics which I have just noted down beech mein.
Chalo.
And we'll do this again sometime.
Done.
It's lovely talking to you.
Same.
Thank you so much for doing this.
Thank you. My pleasure.
तो पहले तो I was just relentless यार 18, 19, 20 hours working without food, without anything और कुछ भी खा रहा हूँ, कुछ भी पी रहा हूँ, stupid. But this was it.
That was it. I did the same thing. It was exactly that. Dabeli, vada pav, that was our constant.
अच्छा ही होता है.
And immunity बढ़ता है.
हाँ, exactly.
Hi, La. I need that.
But that's reality.
Our little children wounds that we are carrying, na? मम्मी ने बोला था ये टॉय नहीं खरीदूंगा.
अब पूरी दुनिया
I will buy every
टॉय कंपनी खरीद लो. थैंक यू सो मच ये एपिसोड एंड तक देखने के लिए. आपको पता है कि आपको 3 चीज़ें करनी है. नंबर 1, अभी के अभी हमें सब्सक्राइब कर लो, क्योंकि अगर हमने आपको कुछ भी इंसाइट्स दिए तो प्लीज़ आपका एक सब्सक्राइब कैन हेल्प अस अ लॉट। नंबर 2, कमेंट करके हमें बताओ कि और कौन से गेस्ट हैं जिनके साथ आप चाहते हैं कि हम पॉडकास्ट बनाएं, और उनसे क्या क्वेश्चंस पूछें ताकि हम आपके लिए और बेहतर एंड वैल्यूएबल इनसाइट्स ला सकें। एंड नंबर 3, ये एपिसोड किसी एक इंसान के साथ ज़रूर शेयर करना जिसकी लाइफ में कुछ एक नया सीखने को मिलेगा उसे इस एपिसोड से, क्योंकि एक कॉन्वर्जेशन इनफ होती है किसी की लाइफ का नज़रिया बदलने के लिए। I'll see you next time. Until then, keep figuring out.